Hello, we are Amane, Bingen, Gorka, and Laida, and today we're going to speak about the hydraulic energy.
Definition: hydraulic energy is that which is obtained for the use of the kinetic and potential energy of the water current. Water full of or tides.
Yes, it's a stable energy source. It's more secure than other energy sources. It's a very clean energy. It can be adapted to the mine needs. It's a 100 renewable energy.
Disadvantages: negative environmental consequences. Apart from having positive aspects, it also has negative aspects into the environment. We need to take into account that this type of constructions can damage the environment or the habitats where plants or animals live. It is expensive. Building this type of machines takes a lot of time and money. This energy gives advantages economically, but in a lot of cases, to make a land exploitation is so expensive and it carries a lot of cost.
It's difficult to find the right place. It's important to know the right place where the machine is going to go to get the most out of it. Sometimes also it could be difficult to get the place because of the importable of the orography.
The environment impact. Hydraulic energy does not produce chemical residues, but if it can affect the environment, it does not affect the environment by reversing rivers, and that causes some species of fish to die.